This is an inaugural race, ano po?
Yeah, inaugural race to for the Rooster RC Track right here sa Guagua. Very near San Fernando, Pampanga. Kaka-establish lang nito ng ating kaibigan, si Dr. Pangan. So, yeah, we're here to celebrate the launch, the opening of his racetrack, and to spread the word na merong ganitong venue right here in the heart of Pampanga.
We saw the participants. Varied yung ages nila, no?
Yeah. I would say participants siguro from 10 to 70 kaya. Basta may hand-eye coordination pa, pwede pa.
Pare-parehas yung joy and smiles nila.
Yeah. Kasi, I mean, besides the camaraderie, siyempre, I don't know, we feel na may thrilling racing kumbaga, without having to go into like real car racing, even go-kart, fraction of the price lang to I'm Mike Ang. I operate Pit Shop RC Specialty Store sa Quezon City. We operate nationwide kasi siyempre it's easy na to ship stuff out. It's easy to coordinate with hobbyists all over the country na kasi connected na tayo di ba? So parang ito na yung closest thing na you can get to racing besides playing on a console, di ba? Kasi iba pa rin yun
Yun kasi yung connotation sa RC or remote control. Kasi parang when you're outside of the hobby, tapos titingnan mo siya, parang, ay, laro-laro ito Parang for kids lang ito Pero once you join in, makikita mo it's that
Yeah. Pero I mean, hindi lang siya for kids. Pwede rin sa adults, from 10 to 70, okay. And hindi lang naman yung mga competitive people lang na-attract.
Ba't pinagpapin yung gulong? Ganda ng takbo mo kanina
Pati yung mga casual racers who like to join mga events na marami silang kalaro. Kasi iba yung mag-isa ka lang naglalaro or dalawa lang kayo, araw-araw kayong dalawa lang, di ba? Hindi kasi fun na when you go to an event, tapos you meet up with different people, all with similar passion for the hobby.
When you're new to the hobby, sir, marami bang mga racetrack na pwede?
Sa ngayon, so right here sa San Fernando, itong bagong track. So I guess this is reasonably accessible for most of the North people. So if you're Tarlac, kahit Baguio, not bad na to, di ba? Good distance. Mayroon din actually sa Baguio, may small track sa Baguio. Si Baguio Palace Hotel, he has a small course din doon, but more for crawling. Tapos sa Laguna, sa Candubang, we have a track doon, the AE Raceway. There's another group building a track sa San Rafael, Bulacan. That's for those na familiar doon sa dating Circulo Verde track. Since nagsara na yon, it's moving to San Rafael, Bulacan. And then in addition to that, meron sa San Juan. Right in the center of City Hall, sa Pinaglabanan, may maliit na racetrack doon for mini RCs. And I'm sure there are plenty of other play areas for even other RCs, yung mga nagko-crawler, katulad sa UP, sa Taytay, ang daming mga sites for crawlers. Tapos iba naman yung mga tinatawag natin bashers. Yan yung mga they play anywhere.
Ibang bashers yan.
Oo, parang wawaldasin nila yung arasin nila kahit saan. Basta malawak. Marami yan.
Malawak pala siya.
Oo. I mean, we have hobbyists all the way sa Palawan. Meron din sa Mindanao, sa Dipolog, Jensan, Davao. Meron yan lahat.
Kanina na-mention niyo yung crawlers, no? Kasi it's gaining traction ngayon, pun intended. Itong sa atin, how different is this from the crawlers?
Malayo. Kasi itong racetrack, ika nga karera talaga, di ba? So, the RC itself is very different. Ang crawler, parang more Pag nakikita nyo yan, yung mga mapoporma, naka-LC or Jeep or Defender. Pero yung speed nila ay fraction lang ng speed nito. Pero dinesign sila para makaahon sa mga bato. Pwede sila mga creek crossing. Pag i-waterproof mo ng gusto, pwede mo pa ilubog yan, i-submerge. Parang yung sa totoong full-size off-roading, di ba? Marami yan dito sa Pampanga, yung mga nagpo-full size, lalong dyan sa Pinatubo, di ba? Marami nagpo-full size crawling dyan. So, very popular din yun, pero it's a different kind of fun. Sari-sariling trip lang yan. But sa RC, malawak yan, maraming klase. I would say it's all fun, di ba?
You've been in the hobby, sir, for how long?
No, I started racing when I was a kid. 10 years old yata ako noon eh. Unang race ko sa Green Hills pa, nung may racetrack pa sa Green Hills. Hindi naman ako non-stop na nagre-race, on and off yan. Even nung na-establish na yung business, hindi rin ako non-stop yung RC lang. But, baga, ika nga, lagi yung binabalik-balikan. Even some of these participants here today, even if they've been around for, let's say, 20 years, it's not 20 straight years. Isa, they'll be in the hobby for 2-3 years, then break sila a year, then they'll come back. Yan, napansin ko, they always come back kasi iba yung fun ng magkalikot at kumarera.
Na-experience ko siya nung bata pa kami ni kuya ko. Kala ko nun, after niya maglaro nito, nawala na yung interest San Fernando. So, ayun, we're happy na meron ulit ganito, parang resurgence.
I mean, it never really died down sa Metro Manila. Actually, I think there's another track sa Mabalacat eh.
Oh, that's good.
There's another track sa Mabalacat organized by a different group. Pero it's a bit smaller, siguro half the size nito. I hope na if they see this video, na they'll come join us here.
Sana.
Kasi nandiyan lang sila sa Mabalacat eh.
Tell us more about the race today. Ano yung mga categories or mga participants?
So itong racetrack ni Doc is about a little over 1,000 square siguro. Ideal ito for 1/10 scale. So ang ibig sabihin ng 1/10 scale is 10 of those to make a full size ganun yung scale. So ang categories natin, pinaka-popular dyan is the 110 buggy. Ito yung parang mga desert buggy na ginagamit sa mga disyerto. So, meron ganong category and then meron din yung 110 rally cars. So, yan based on real life rally cars. And then there's the 110 truck. Now, sa 110 truck, you can use any kind of truck. Pwedeng trophy truck, short course truck, pwedeng pick-up. Bahala ka, basta truck. You'll it.
Iba yung intensity at saka yung vibe ng yung talagang kasama ka sa race day.
Pero
may announcer, may ito may transponder.
Essential yun na may timing system kasi kung hindi, well, I mean, it's very hard to tell sino man nanalo kung walang timing system. So all these tracks naman, as far as I know sa sa Pilipinas, may timing system naman. Pero some people are intense, pero generally medyo light-hearted, good vibes lang. Alright. So ang ideal for this racetrack is siyempre off-road to. So siyempre hindi tayo nakakapag-entertain ng drift dito or ng touring. So lahat ng pwedeng itakbo dito na 110, yung ipatatakbohin natin dito. But for today, it's just a 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive buggy. Tapos yun yung rally, tsaka yung truck.
Okay. So we've got the whole afternoon para sa race pa ngayon.
Yeah, normally races take a couple of hours. Most races start at 10 and probably finish at 5 or 6 depending sa number of participants.
Any front runners ngayong day na to?
Wala pa. It's too early to tell.
May mga notable mga names na kanina nababanggit eh.
Pero qualifying pa lang tayo. So malaman natin mamaya kung they will hold their leads. So like si Matthew, who's the youngest participant, I think 10 or 11 years old.
Siya pala yun.
Yeah, it's a 2-wheel drive. It's actually manager ng pit shop, si Archie. And then sa 4-wheel drive, yung sponsor lagi namin ng sounds and si Greg Villaver is leading 4-wheel drive. And then sa truck, it's Doc Wally, who is from right here. Alam ko, homegrown talent yan.
Meron pa kami narinig na Sir Paul eh. Parang
Si Mang Paul is from, I'm not sure kung nasa Nueva siya o sa Bulacan now.
senior na si Mang
Yes,
Paul, ano?
senior citizen na yan. Pero RC hobbies talaga at heart yan.
Yeah, he's bringing sa A-game kanina.
Oo,
Naka-game
oo.
face talaga
Pero
siya.
nagpapalipad din yan, nagpi-planes din yan, nag-helicopter
Oo.
din.
Kaya
So
pala
he plays everything.
Kaya pala yung controller niya kanina pang...
I-control kasi, di ba, there's the common, nowadays, common na yung gun type na tinatawag kasi may trigger, tapos may steering wheel.
Oo.
Pero meron pa rin gumagamit ng stick type. So, yung, tawag dito, yung parang PlayStation, ganyan.
Well, it's an afternoon of excitement. Kaya
Yeah, sana, yeah. Oh.
let's keep up the fun. Thank you very
Yeah,
much, sir,
thank you,
sa
thank you.
oras ninyo, ha? And congratulations.
Anytime. Thank you. You should congratulate your cousin.
Si Vincent. So we're helping him out na
Yeah.
i-promote pa itong
Yeah, I hope na, people around here, kasi from the exit, like 20 minutes lang eh. San Fernando exit, 20 minutes lang, you're here na.
Yeah.
So, if the NLEX is accessible to you, you should come and enjoy this track.
Yeah, even from the highway, ano lang eh,
Yeah,
parang
bilis lang.
a few meters lang.
Yeah. Enjoy to, enjoy. Ganda yung ginawa. May complete facilities. May CR, may kitchen sink, may tables and chairs, electricity.
Sa itong control tower,
Yeah,
parang
there's
is this standard for all?
This is the driver stand. Yeah, okay to. Kasi ginawa to, bakal to eh. So it will stand the test of time, and then there's enough outlets here to power everything you need. Just come on by dito sa Rooster Track. Enjoy dito.
Thank you again, sir.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Parang kayo yung pro, sa ganito.